What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at div. What do I mean by div? Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, in my body I'm going to type something inside div and close it with \div. In this one I'm going to just type my name is Taliban. My name is Taliban. Okay, now it's here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change some style to div. To do that, I type div right here, and then inside of the curly bracket I'm going to change the border 2 pixel, and then I'm going to put the color solid red, and then position absolute, and then width 300 pixel. Okay, now let's see what we are working with. I'm gonna just oh shit. Okay, here we go. This is what we are working with. This my name in a box. Okay, now div is basically useful for moving this box. If you want to move your name with the box and everything, you can use a div. That's why we use it. Let's see how to move this one. Okay, here to move this one I have to just type top. This is vertically moving. Top 40 pixel, and then left 35 pixel. Now what you will see is it will be moved from top 40 pixel, and from left it's moved 35 pixel. Okay, you can move as much as you want using div. Like, you can place it anywhere where you want. And that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.